Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared mango pudding or payasam using semolina. This is a very tasty and wonderful dish. I have not used any milk in this recipe. Simple set of ingredients required: fine semolina, which is Bombay Rava, sugar, cardamom powder, and mango puree. All the ingredients measurements that I've used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In my blog I've got a detailed recipe and a lot of other recipes and reviews posted on a regular basis. I've started to boil 2 cups of water in a wok. To the water I've added a pinch of salt. I'll get this to a rapid boil, and to the water I'll be adding a tablespoon of ghee. If you're a vegan and you want to make this completely a vegan dish, use coconut oil or any vegetable fat. I've added the ghee to avoid the semolina from forming lumps. As I'm adding the semolina to the water, I keep stirring it so that the lumps are not formed. Semolina is a product which will form lumps very fast. Now you can see I've made a smooth consistency semolina. Now to the semolina I've added the cardamom powder and sugar. The semolina will cook further. I kept stirring it. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. All the recipes are translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've started to add the mango puree in small batches and I kept stirring it. The semolina will cook further and the mango also will cook further, and it will give a good aroma. All the raw flavors will completely reduce. I kept stirring it. Don't be in a hurry and add excess water. The consistency is perfect at this point. So we require that nice thick pudding consistency. You can serve this cold or you can serve it hot. You can place this in the fridge and you can serve it cold or hot. It's up to you. Now you can see there are larger bubbles that are forming. I'm going to just cook it for another minute's time or two, and I'm going to remove it from the flame. It's done. What you can do ahead of time is you can also finely chop ripe mangoes and reserve, and you can chop some nuts like almonds, pistachios, cashew nuts. Chop it into fine pieces and you can add it. I just crushed all my nuts using a rolling pin. I garnished the pudding with some mango and some crushed nuts. That's about it. It turned out excellent. You can also add a little bit of saffron strands before serving for that extra flavor and taste. All the links to my social media blog will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I've gone ahead and served my mango pudding. It turned out excellent. We really enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.